SQL versus NoSQL. Rows and tables on one side, flexible documents on the other, and picking wrong bites you 6 months in.
Okay, wait, SQL first. What is it actually?
SQL means every user row has the exact same columns. Name, email, all defined up front. If it doesn't fit the shape, the database rejects it.
And NoSQL just skips all that? When would I actually reach for it?
Each document can look different. One user has a tags array, another doesn't. That's perfect when your data shape keeps evolving.
So the real dividing line isn't just tables versus documents?
SQL joins separate tables together at query time, so related data stays clean and non-duplicated. NoSQL usually just nests everything into one document instead.
Fine, give me the simple rule. When do I actually pick one?
Banking, orders, anything with strict relationships, go SQL. Massive scale or data that changes shape constantly, like a chat app, NoSQL wins.
Biggest mistake people make? Using NoSQL like it has joins, then fighting duplicated data everywhere.
If you remember one thing, pick SQL for structure and relationships, NoSQL for flexibility and scale. Comment below which one you use more.